Welcome everyone, happy to see you again. In this video, we are going to learn about how to calculate the materials to construct the brick masonry. Before get into the topic, don't forget to subscribe our channel and get updated. We are doing the following works in online, with good quality and low cost. Interested, kindly contact us. It is a type of masonry. Brick masonry is a highly durable form of construction. It is built by placing bricks in mortar in a systematic manner, to construct solid mass that withstand exerted loads. There are several types of brick and number mortars, which can be used to construct brick masonry. Brick masonry is the construction of structure using bricks and cement mortar, which is cement and sand. What I learned from this video is how to calculate the quantity of the materials, which is used to build the brick masonry structure in a detailed view. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel and keep sharing.